The leaks surrounding Samsung's next big smartphone launch have reached fever pitch, meaning it's not long until the arrival of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in early August. Here are all the leaks, rumors and confirmed details for the 2018 Galaxy Note 9, codenamed Crown. The best smartphones available to buy today. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 release date August 9, 2018 event confirmed. Be the first to hear about Samsung Galaxy Note 9 deals on mobiles.co.uk. Carphone Warehouse. The Galaxy Note 9 will be launched on August 9, 2018. We're expecting a Note 9 release date around August 24th. Samsung has sent out invites to its Unpacked event, which is what Samsung calls its mobile launch events, complete with a close-up of a yellow/gold S Pen and button. More on that shortly. The event will be held live in New York, with the show starting at 11 o'clock EDT 1600 hours BST 1700 hours CES. Samsung has also posted a teaser on its mobile Twitter feed, which reveals more of the S Pen, leaving absolutely no doubt that it's the Note 9 that's being launched. A model number for the new handset has also leaked, SMN960U. The current Note 8 has the model number SMN950U, at least in the US that's its model number. The international Note 8 model we have is SMN950F, which has a Samsung Exynos processor. A leaked FCC filing from June refers to a model number SMN960F. As we mentioned, the F suffix is usually the international version, so things are all coming together nicely. The Galaxy Note 9 design is familiar. Fingerprint sensor on rear in new arrangement. Premium and waterproof build. Expected familiar curved glass design. As we get closer to the Note 9 launch, we've been treated to what looks like a real marketing photo of the device by a reliable leaker, Evan Blass. He shared the photo, which shows the phone alongside the same yellow S Pen we think was depicted in the launch event's invitation. We've seen colors appear too, and we're looking at blue, brown, black, lavender, and gray, although leaks since, further below, suggest that fewer colors will actually be available. In late July, Android headlines showed off some more images of the colors the phone will come in. This time, there's brown alongside the blue and black colors. We've seen the brown pop up before. One mystery which has been nagging for some time is that not one of the revealed colors is yellow/gold like the S Pen shown in Samsung's official invite teaser. That definitely is yellow/gold. It now looks from this image like the blue Note 9 will have a yellow highlight and accompanied by a yellow S Pen. Samsung has traditionally matched the color of the S Pen to the handset, but there's no reason why that rule can't be broken this time around. We're looking forward to seeing what colors the Note 9 does finally debut in. What's also interesting is the devices the Note 9 is shown alongside, notably the Samsung Gear S3 watch. There's also a wireless charging stand and Gear Icon X earbuds. We are expecting a new Galaxy Watch to be announced soon, and the strong rumor is that this will also be at the New York event. If not, it will surely be at IFA 2018 in Berlin at the start of September. Like this? Check out all we know about the new Galaxy Watch. Some sources, such as the Korea Herald, were adamant that we would be getting an in-display fingerprint sensor, with an unnamed source saying to the Herald, Samsung Display has prepared 3 or 4 solutions for Samsung Electronics to embed the fingerprint sensor inside of the main display, and both are seriously considering one of the solutions. These hopes have now been dashed. It has been confirmed by Samsung to be coming to the S10, however. Finally, there have been more leaks of a coral blue image of the phone has emerged. While this color wasn't included in previous leaks, it's a traditional Samsung color, so expected to emerge, perhaps as a limited edition handset. Don't forget to check out all the Note 9 leaks and rumors. What about the new S Pen? Will be Bluetooth enabled, could act as a camera shutter or pause music playback. We've known for some time that Samsung is planning S Pen improvements, according to this interview with Samsung execs. In reality, with the Galaxy S9 Plus being essentially the same phone as the Note 9, it's in the S Pen that the difference has to lie. With the S Pen on the invite, it's very much the topic of conversation. According to renowned tipster Ice Universe, the new S Pen is Bluetooth enabled, and so the button can be used to do other jobs. And this is borne out in the marketing image we've shown above. The Bluetooth connectivity of the S Pen has been confirmed by an FCC filing, but that does raise other questions about powering it. Will the current system, which uses power from the display, be enough, or will the new S Pen have its own battery? We'd also expect the new S Pen to be even more sensitive than before. This seems to be the way with Styli these days. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 display 6.3-inch Super AMOLED display 18:9 aspect ratio will stay. The Galaxy Note series is Samsung's big screen device and it always has been, so this isn't likely to change anytime soon. It was the series that made phobolds fashionable after all, so fashionable that no one even bothers to call them phobolds anymore, with them sliding into the norm for phones these days. Traditionally, the Note series came with a 5.7-inch display, but that all changed with the Note 8, which pushed a new size of 6.3 inches, fractionally larger than the Galaxy S8 Plus. And it's that screen size we'll see in the Note 9, with a 6.3-inch Super AMOLED display all but confirmed. It was screen size, not overall size, that saw the jump last year though, with the Note 8 offering a very similar footprint to the previous 5.7-inch devices thanks to the new 18:9 aspect ratio compared to the standard 16:9. We'd expect the Note 9 to stick to the same ratio. We'd also expect mobile HDR to be on board the Note 9 as on the previous devices, as well as a Super AMOLED panel for rich and vibrant colors. In terms of resolution, the display will be Quad HD+. What is mobile HDR? What will the Galaxy Note 9 camera be like? Dual rear camera likely to remain, improvements expected, iris scanning also expected. The Galaxy Note 8 was the first Samsung device to offer a dual rear camera setup. The Note 9 will continue with two cameras, and you can see these in the image above. We'd expect the dual camera setup on the Note 9 to be the same format as the Note 8 with one telephoto lens and one wide angle, as well as a similar camera to of S9 Plus, which has a variable f/1.5, f/2.4 aperture. We know from leaks that the rear cameras will both be 12 megapixel units with optical image stabilization on both lenses. It is not yet clear whether Samsung will increase the resolution of the front-facing camera, but no doubt there will be some processing enhancements even if the megapixels don't see a jump. An interview published by Samsung Newsroom said the camera was one of the main features people buy a Note for, and therefore it is likely the company will continue to pay close attention to it. Expect AR emoji to debut on the Note series with the Note 9. There's rumored to be another sensor to support this in this year's Note. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 hardware: Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 or latest Exynos chip expected, 6GB of RAM and 64GB storage expected. Focus on audio: likely an unboxing video has now dropped, and while the font and graphic on the screen protecting plastic looks a little non-authentic, the camera and fingerprint reader arrangement on the rear of the phone leads us to believe it's an actual piano black Note 9. The box itself looks pretty genuine, too, with its promise of a 6.3-inch Quad HD and Super AMOLED display, dual 12-megapixel OIS rear cameras, iris scanner, and 64GB memory/6GB RAM. There's also a T-Mobile sticker on the front of the box, so presumably that's the source. As with the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, we are expecting the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor inside the Note 9 too, with some models opting for the latest Samsung Exynos instead depending on region. There have been some early benchmarks, but prior to launch, benchmarks don't tend to reflect the final device performance. Twitter user Ice Universe has said the Note 9 will get a 4,000 mAh battery, a big improvement over the Note 8's 3,300 mAh cell. This has been backed up by Eldar Murtazin, who claims to have seen the device. The 4,000 mAh battery capacity has also leaked via a Brazilian regulatory body. It's a significant improvement over the Galaxy Note 8, which features a 3,300 mAh battery. Then, Samsung was playing safe after Note 7 gate to ensure there were no repeats. We'd expect the Note 9 to have USB Type-C for charging and both quick charging and wireless charging supported. You could also put money on the Note 9 placing some focus on audio. The S9 features Dolby Atmos enhanced audio, so expect that, too. And we now know from the leaked boxes hots that there will be AKG headphones included. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 software Android Auto and Experience UX. Probable the Galaxy Note 9 is likely to arrive on Android Auto with Samsung's TouchWiz software over the top. Samsung Mobile CEO DJ KOH confirmed during Mobile World Congress 2018 that the latest version of company's own voice assistant Bixby will launch with the Galaxy Note 9, and we expect AI to be a big part of the story. Samsung's head of AI Center Gray Ji Lee recently told the Korea Herald that the new and updated version will feature improved natural language processing, faster performance and better resistance to interfering noises. KOH said that Bixby 2.0 is currently being tested by around 800 partners and so will be able to support a wider scope of voice assistant features. He added that Samsung wants Bixby 2.0 to evolve within its own ecosystem of products too, and as such, the company plans to launch a Bixby-enabled TV and has already confirmed a Bixby-enabled smart speaker will launch in the second half of 2018. There will also be some enhancements to Samsung's AR emoji, too, which as we mentioned is now coming to the Note series. All will shortly be revealed and we'll be sure to bring you all the details as and when they happen.